reaction at the stream. You see me I say the one requested by Vada Street, Chronic Law, When I'm Gone. Who this? Nordia Mothersille? Oh that. I don't know the artist there, but yeah man, I kick it off with the one Chronic Law, Nordia Mothersille, the one name When I'm Gone. That just dropped it 3 hours ago. We get active. Drop no comments and I go see the comments on the live on the chat. You see me I say gang? Let's get it. I don't know, say a law boss this, you know, so I have to put on the listening ears, you know. You see me and say, yeah, on the brain of your compute. Let's get it, man.
Boy. Yeah, man, there's nothing to fear but fear itself, man, you see me?
That's facts. Nothing to fear but fear itself. Yeah, man.
That's our
And God, you know. You see me? Yeah, the wisdom of man start to the fear of the Almighty, you know. So don't forget that.
Yeah, I'm too afraid of it, you see. No battlefield thing set away from you in a crime thing that no have no timing.
That's facts. Hey, you don't hear that? You find a crime in that no timing, you know.
Blind, someone know it now go find me. And these room enough for clean way and tidy. I miss a finger upon the trigger till my boy.
It's a love blind. So me know you now go find me and then broom ya. And if you clean up no untidy. If you know, you know. Hey.
Now go find me. And these room enough for clean way and tidy. I miss a finger upon the trigger till my bone white. And them secular sing I miss a boat life. No weakness we gon' fight.
Miss a finger upon the trigger till my bone white. Or clay till him dead. My bone will dry up. Oh, hey, come in.
No weakness we gon' fight. And if something for you happen to me, don't cry.
When I'm gone, paint my picture on the walls. Let me be known as the great.
And now their mother still this. Oh, this is a female Raja Wild. How are you going?
Greatest 21 gun salute.
Man.
When I'm gone, no, I'm finally at peace. Knowing I will.
I like her sound though. I like her sound and her style though. I like her, you know. Yeah. Gang, let me know. Who's she? First me hear about her. What go on? Give me some info.
Tell the greatest 21 gun salute. When I'm gone.
Revenge non-stop. Dog all innocent get gunshot. And we not trust nobody, we not run shop.
Hold on no man. Me say when I'm gone, revenge non-stop. You dog say no bro. Come in.
Revenge non-stop. Dog all innocent get gunshot. And we not trust nobody, we not run shop. Hard cool but the terrorist shot dog. Make sure a couple house burn down flat. Tell Kamas if you.
The man say yo, me gone. Revenge non-stop. And we not trust nobody. We don't run shop around here. No man. No. Easy, lava! Easy, come in there, jump in sweet pan the chat. Come in, man.
Revenge non-stop. Dog all innocent get gunshot. And we not trust nobody, we not run shop. Hard cool but the terrorist shot dog. Make sure a couple house burn down flat. Tell Kamas if you're a conduct that they not the dog badness we can't run from. Guns and up, make sure no.
Yeah, man. Make it all cool but the terrorist hot youth. They not dogs of the badness. We can't run from.
Police gun on you. Want see one of them every day upon the news. Life sharp, but me clip them long for true. Want see them over past bird altitude. Video it and get around when I want the views. And we don't want to lose. But we can't run from them.
Say video it and get terror. We don't want the views. Easy, terror that big up yourself.
And we don't want to lose. But we can't run from the truth.
When I'm gone, paint my picture on the walls. Let me be known as the greatest 21 gun salute. When I'm gone, no, I'm
Easy. I like the concept. I like the concept. I like the concept, the art direction. You see me? The whole theme and the message. I like it. I like it though. You see me? I say it's different. You see me? I say I'm Nordia. What's she name? Nordia. Mothersille. Like her style. She got this whole, dark theme going on. Creativity. I like how that I like in the dancehall, the creativity. People now can be more creative in that dancehall. That's what I like. You see me? I say. Back in the day, people like Raja Wild and the Craft and who would I say? Eddie G. Bama and you see me, the who else? What she named Spider and the Mothersille. They wouldn't get a bus like that. You know, you get the SVM, you know, you can be more creative in a dancehall. More, You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it. I like him.
Finally at peace, knowing I went out the greatest. 21 guns salute when I'm gone.
Anyone gun salute when I'm gone, eh? Easy that, man. Chronicle say, yo, revenge non-stop, brother. When we call, want to spin again upon them.
When I'm gone, paint my picture on the walls. Let me be known as the greatest. 21 guns salute.
Picture upon the wall, man, and tell them you're the greatest. Well, on the dead end. Why you there? I want dead end, brother? I know this is symbolic, metaphorical. You see me? Tell me say you reach the end of the road, you know. You see me? I say nobody already know. Hey, la boss. Easy, you know. You got the Rolls Royce too, which is a hearse. Easy, you know. I heard that a few enemy them. Which one? But yeah, man, gang. Chronic Law. Nordia Mothersille. The name the different. You see me? Nordia Mothersille, the one name when I'm gone. I like it. Concept is dope. You see me? It's a meds tune. You see me? I say, even though Mr. Man, me not like the song, I like meds pandit, you know. The when I'm gone and, you know, te and, you see me? I say, well, you're busy with people and when I'm gone, but they're gone, you know. I joke, no, but everybody want to be remembered. Everybody want to be remembered in a positive light. You see me? I say, everybody want to leave behind a legacy. You know, leave behind something where people can remember them. Hopefully, for the positive, or for the good or not for the bad. You see me? I say, but, yeah, man. Until I meds pan them when I'm gone, when I die. You see me? The type of tune there. But, that's something inevitable in life. That's something you can't avoid, you know. You see me? Only one way you're going to get out of this thing called life. You see me? Yeah, man, sad truth. There's only one way you're going to get out of it. There's only one way you're going to get out of this thing called life, and that's through death. You see me? That's one thing guaranteed in life. You're going to dead one day. Sad to say, but you know, I know when you're there, just have to enjoy and make the most of it. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, gang. But I know nothing about the one day. Chronic Law, Nordia Mothersille, when I'm gone. Definitely a vibe. Definitely a meds tune. You see me? I say, definitely add to the playlist. I do have, you know, the meds track. You see me? I say, when you dip on the ends, build back on the meds vibe. You see me? You can run this. Or you chill by yourself, you dip on a meditation. You can't think about them things. But, you know, and really think about when you're gone. Because you think about death and them thing there. But you see me? I say, but anyway, again, I'm not think about the one in the comment section. If I like it, definitely show that to someone support me. You know, the dance, you know. You see me? I say, I'm in no favorite parties. But yeah, man, drop no request them. You see me? We had the request. I was the first request at the stream. You see me? I say, big up the damn Salvador States. I like that one. Next one we're going to react to a Raw Cash, Vado States again. You see me? Riley boss say, why you not react to Skilly Bang feature Nige Boy? Because I ain't get around to it, gang. I've been busy, you see me? But I can get around it today. You see me? I say, yeah, I ain't get around to it. I've been wanting to do it. You see me? I said, just didn't get a chance to. So, hold on there. Yeah, just never got a chance to. Yeah, just never get a chance to. But yeah, man, I'm going to do a reaction to right now. Next one I do, Raw Cash. The one named Diala. That I go on. I think somebody else did put up requested to, you know. I'm surprised that she didn't pop up on my channel. Content. I might have to do the one or two. Let me see. How much Raw Cash to me show up on so far? The last song I reacted to Raw Cash hour. Farcliffe. Or the life, yeah. The life, I don't it. Yeah, I think that was the last one I reacted from Raw Cash. If I'm not mistaken. So we're getting them back round to it, gang. Yeah, last time Farcliffe. We didn't react to the life, yeah. It look like we reacted to the life, yeah. Might have reacted to the one there too. What wanna say? Pretty sure I did this one. I did it on a live stream, didn't I? And I didn't post it. Yeah, man, but me do what I want on a live stream, gang, I'm never post it. So I think I'm gonna post that one when I get a chance. But dial I'm gonna react to the one, so I'm gonna do the one right now. You see me? I say Rakesh been doing his thing though. Oh shit. Wait.